Yeah, great. Okay, so the pastured pig. So we buy piggies. We don't farrow. So let's go through a budget. The piggy is going to cost, let's do an expensive one, 150 bucks. Each pig is going to eat 900 pounds of feed. That's 900 pounds at 30 cents a pound, GMO free. It's going to be $270. So we got 150, 270. That's what, 420? Trying to do this to keep up with it in my head. 420. All right. And then we're processing to get it, put it in packages at the slaughterhouse is going to be 200. So 470 and 2 is 670. And if we put 30 in just for whatever, I'm not putting labor in at this stage because you're doing this because you want to. For us, our labor cost is about 50 to 60 bucks a hog. You have a little bit of hauling in there, maybe some depreciation on infrastructure, but I'm just trying to ballpark it in. So you're up there in the $700 or so worth of expense, of actual expense. And we have a 5% marketing commission on top as well. We're going to sell that hog for $1,200. You take all the pieces, the tenderloin, the sausage, everything's going to go out. About $1,200. And we're going to raise 10 of those per acre. Now, that doesn't mean we're putting 10 hogs in an acre. It means that we're running 40 to 50 hogs in a group on half an acre, and we're moving them roughly weekly, 5 to 12 days, roughly weekly through an 8-week or 10-week rotation through several half acres. So at the end of the day, each acre is generating 10 hogs a year in actual end product. That would be roughly 5 finished ones and 10 half finished, because we don't run them out there in the winter. So we're actually only out there for let's just say 8 months of the year. We raise pigs 6 months. We get them as little pigs, take them outside at roughly 3 months old. There'll be 5 months outside. So the 8 months allow us to do 5 months and of a batch to finish them, and then 3 months of a batch to get them within 2 months of finish. Are you with me? And so that's how we get to the 5 finishers plus 10 part ways. The 5 which are half done. So those 5, that's half of 10 is 5. The 5 finishers are 5. That's 10 hogs total per 10 acres times $1,200 per pig is $12,000. If each pig actually costs us $800, then we're at $400 profit per hog, which hits our 30% margin. $1,200 per hog times 10 hogs per acre is the total production spread over those multiple paddocks in a year. So so if you're raising 5 pigs, okay, they're going to get, instead of half acre, they might get a 25th of an acre per week. All right, and so if you take the land base and the pigs that you're raising on, for us it's 10 per year. 10 per year times 1,200 is our retail value. It's $12,000 an acre.